Alright. Scene 2, take 1, and action. Reset.
Was I supposed to open the door?
Hold on. No, I am, but I didn't. Alright. Scene 2, take 3. Take 2.
2, yeah.
And action. Don't stop it, don't stop it, don't stop it. Alright. Scene 2, take 3. And action. One more time. We got this. Alright. Scene 2, take 4. And action. Dude.
Hey, I'm fine till you open the door.
Don't look at me, like look behind me. Okay, and I'm gonna look off to the corner. Alright?
Ow.
Alright. You ready? You ready?
Scene 2, take 5.
Scene 2, take 5. Alright. Scene 2, take 5. And action. You laughed. I was ready. I wasn't even looking at you. Don't even look at me.
hat on.
Don't even look at me. Alright. Ouch. Alright, scene 2, take 6. And action. Is there a problem, officer?
Well,
I was just, Alright. Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, the next scene after the first one, or the next take scene, whatever. Okay. And action. Wait, no. Not action. I'm gonna sit down, and you're gonna say something, right? No, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna go, and then we're gonna move it, the tray of you over my shoulder, okay? Alright, here we go. And action. It showed me sit down. Alright, position it behind me so you see over my shoulder and see tray.
oh, too bad. I can see your face.
Dude, you said it in the exact spot.
Did I?
Yeah.
Alright. And you know your line?
Dude, how many of those are mad?
Say it louder. Alright. Ready? And action.
Dude, how many of those have you had?
Alright, move back over the tray. No, I got it because I remember where the thing was. Konnichiwa. See?
This is Arabian.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So Trey, don't move. They can see me, right, Drew?
Wait. Try his head.
Alright. Ready? They can see me, right? That's good.
Okay.
And action. 16. Alright. Don't stop it.
Now go back to me.
Go back to Trey. You know what it looked like, so put it in the same spot.
Oh.
No, I'm out of pages. Be looking at me. Is it in the same spot?
Just about. Okay, move to the position you're gonna be in.
I am.
Okay. Now put your face back in.
I haven't done the sound effect.
Okay.
I haven't done the puking yet.
Action.
My tummy hurts. Let's try that again. Ready? I took a bite of it and then.
Yeah, that's what made me laugh.
Alright.
Action.
Alright, ready? And action. I'm tummy hurt. Come on.
You didn't laugh until after you.
Just watch
I
it.
left when you puked.
Well, yeah, you can't have it laugh. One more time. Alright. Ready?
Please.
Action.
My tummy!
Dude! Let me do it!
You can't.
It wouldn't make any sense. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Just don't think it's funny. Think of something stupid.
Poop?
Drew. Ready? And
Wait.
action. And don't look at me. Just like, look at me for a second. And then look back at your paper.
Okay.
And like, cover it with your face or something.
Alright.
If you,
Like when you puke.
yeah.
But,
Yeah.
okay.
My tummy! Alright, so this is scene of a comedy sketch, something. Alright, take one. And Drew, quit. Drew. Quit.
I'm sorry.
It's my funny the first time.
And action. Okay, cut. Restart. Quiet. And action.
Great job, Drew.
Alright. Drew, quit.
You were looking at me weird.
Turn around. Don't even look at him. Turn around.
No.
Drew, really.
I'll
Like,
look at-
seriously.
Look at him with anger.
And don't pop up. What? You ready? And action. Alright. We're gonna do the push machine. Hold on. Hold on.
I have to do that. Thanks.
Dude, you like burped when you did that.
What?
I broke it.
Dang. That's power. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? You if you can only do 2, then only do 2. If you can do 3, then do 3, alright?
I'll stop.
Alright.
Check it.
Ready? And action. Alright. Drew, come here. We're gonna show you walking down the steps. Drew, hurry. And Troy, when I say action, I'll just have you keep going, okay? Drew, you're gonna come down the steps and walk into the weight room, alright? And action. Alright. Alright, watch out.
That makes you tired.
I'm gonna show you, Trey. You're gonna get up.
I can't do these.
You said you can't do it and you did it.
No, kind of hurts. I don't know if I did them right.
Jude, take it off. Please. So, it's gonna show Drew, okay. You're coming in and Trey's walking over and I'll move it to the view where it looks like Trey's picking up Drew's neck, alright? Okay? Okay?
Okay.
And action.
I'm sorry.
And cut. And action again. Go. Okay, cut. Cut. Okay, that's good. Come back over
Stop
here.
looking
Come back
at
over here, Trey.
Stop.
Stop what?
Drew, stand on that thing. Stand on that black thing.
There's something wrong with my face.
This?
Drew, stand on that black thing, yeah. Okay. Can you step up onto that, Drew? Trey, you'll have to like throw him. So Drew, get down on the floor.
Or I can like help him.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So
No, I
Trey.
can get it.
Well, I'm not gonna.
Get it.
No, he's gonna help you. It's alright. And action.
I'm gonna kill you.